Hello friends, today we are going to check out the recipe for Paneer Masala in Dhaba style. So first, let's start with soaking some cashews and cutting the paneer into cubes. Next, we are going to fry the paneer cubes in some ghee and dry spices. Here I am going to use some 400 grams of paneer. Mix them well so the masala gets coated on the paneer and fry them until golden brown. Now blend the tomatoes and some soaked cashews into a paste. Now for tadka in a pan, add 1 tablespoon of butter and oil and add in whole spices like bay leaf, cinnamon stick and cardamom, and then add your chopped onions and ginger garlic paste. Now fry them until the onions become translucent. At this point, start adding the dry masalas like turmeric, coriander powder, cumin powder and mix them well. Add in some salt as per the taste. Now we are going to add the tomato puree. Once the tomatoes are well cooked, add the red chili powder and garam masala. Now close the lid and cook it for around 6 to 7 minutes. You can see the oil has started separating. Here, to get some creamy texture, I am going to add half cup of milk. Add in a cup of water to adjust the consistency. Into this we are going to add fried paneer and kasuri methi. Kasuri methi adds a very fine flavor to the curry, so don't forget to add that. Now cook it for 2 minutes and the curry is ready to serve. If you have liked my video, please don't forget to subscribe. You can try this recipe at home and do let me know the feedback in comments. Thank you.